Oh.
Whoa.
You want to hang around for the rest of this video because we have got some of the most insane and powerful chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Good sinking in shoulders, hips.
Ow. No, I did not like that one. Ow.
My elbow cracked.
You cracked, I cracked.
Good. And let your whole body sink as you breathe out. Let it go.
Why did it do that to my mouth?
Because you had air in your lungs and I pushed at the bottom of your lungs. And out. Good.
Whew. That is a trip.
Good. Good.
Yikes.
Center. Left. Center. Okay, good. Bring your left ear down to your shoulder. We're just gonna push like that. So let's follow the breath in through your nose. And out. Good. Gentle, gentle.
Bro. I don't even know. It's loud because it's right next to your ear. Did you just do a factory reset on me?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna push some. 7, 6, 5. And gentle breathing and let your head and shoulders sink into the table. Go, let this go.
Oh, I didn't breathe for that, dude. Whoa. Yeah, that's wild. It feels like my head is floating off my body. Ow.
Okay, push out. Push out to the side. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, now hold your knees together. Hold them as hard as you can together, and then I'm going to pull like this, okay? Okay, go ahead. Hold. Hold. And the ASIS here, the front of the hip bone, we connect these 2 points. We start looking in that spot. Terrible, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, breathe. Okay, we're going to see if we can get this to release. Good.
Wow. Ow. Sorry.
I use the towel here to support your neck like this. And then I'm going to follow your breath just like the other adjustments. And then when we get to the end of your breath, we pull in that direction like that, okay? Okay, we're going to do it gentle. So deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Keep your teeth together. Good.
Ow. That really hurt.
Breathe. That pain will go away very shortly. And it is okay to feel it. But I did it super gentle and I could feel that it was perfect.
Okay. Ooh, that one did not want to crack for you.
Look straight ahead.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
So down here, I'm gonna have you rotate your head. Good. Turn.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You're okay.
Oh my goodness, I didn't expect that one.
That's the best one, when you don't expect it. Scoot all the way forward. So this one is shorter, right? So we're gonna be pushing up on that PSIS, which is that part right there.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna push here. So hold, that's it. Turn a little bit more, good.
Oh.
Here.
Yeah.
You're gonna scoot all the way forward. Oh,
Sorry.
that's okay. All right, so you're gonna roll, let that go. That's perfect. And we're gonna adjust you right here. You can already feel that moving. So let that go more. Good. You're gonna hold. So we're gonna get a little bit more of that upper back. This is gonna be higher along up here where that curve is. And I'm pushing, you can feel this, right? I'm pushing against it so that way your body can start to return. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Good. More. Good. Good. So right here, take your hand. I'm just gonna put my finger right there. You don't have to help me at all. It's gonna pull. That's good.
Oh my goodness.
You okay?
Yeah.
How did that feel?
That was, I don't know, years of relief.
And you're gonna turn your head all the way. Beautiful. Right here. And then we're gonna adjust. I'm gonna have you turn. And then you're gonna let your head fall. Fall a little bit more. Drop just shoulders. Let your head fall more. Good. Here. That's good. All right, sit up a little straighter for me. Beautiful. That's it. Turn. Now let your head fall. That's good. More. Drop the shoulder.
Yep.
Let's do this side right there. So turn your head. Now fall. Let it go more. Drop that shoulder down. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Take a deep breath in and let all your air out. That's it. Let that go more. Great. Wow.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All the way forward. So we're gonna adjust. Remember this?
Yeah.
Is rotated all the way out.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna adjust that area right there. Good. So I'm gonna turn just a little bit more. So deep breath in. Let that go. That's it. Good.
Yeah.
Your hip over. So just let it hang. Let that go a little bit more. Good.
Yep.
Wow.
I pop a lot.
Yeah.
Even if I do it myself, standing up and I pop myself, it's like.
Good. Any pain when I do that?
I felt my neck already pulling. I already felt something. Yeah.
Okay. So take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Beautiful. Good.
Oh yeah.
That was a lot too.
Yeah. Oh, this one felt a lot harder.
That's it. Yeah. Good. That's it. And I want you to let this shoulder relax. Let your head fall more. Let that go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so right in through here, we're gonna start. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
So not as much give right there. Look up and tap it. That's it. Exhale. Good. Let your arms go more. Good. Oh yeah. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. So we're gonna get this lower spot. Good. So let this stomach relax more. That's it. Good. That's it. Good. Take a deep breath. Let that out more. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was huge.
feels good.
Yeah. All you have to do, as much as you can, is relax as much as possible. Scoot down actually a tad bit, and that's it. That's good. You can feel that stuck, right? I just want you to let that go.
Oh yeah.
Cool. We're gonna do one thing. I want you to bring this up, just like this. Do the other side for me too. That's it. Take another deep breath in. Let your air out. Good, that's good.
Oh yeah. That was amazing, man.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.